Be honest. Do you sound fine or just repetitive? If you are using words like actually, like, or maybe in every sentence, you are not leveling up your English. You're just stuck looping the same 8 words like a broken playlist. So, today, I'm going to show you 8 words you are probably overusing, and I'll give you better, more confident sounding words to replace them with. So, like styling, actually. Everyone uses actually to sound more smart, but it can come up as unsure or even passive aggressive. Instead of actually, use to be honest, in fact, or honestly. Instead of saying actually, I don't agree, saying to be honest, I don't agree. In fact, I don't think that's true. Honestly, I disagree. Then is too basic in stories or explanations. You could use after that, next, so, or later on. If you say, I woke up, then I ate breakfast, then I went to the office, it's not sounding natural. To be more natural, say, I woke up, after that I kept on breakfast, I got ready, so the next step was to leave. Later on, I headed to the office. When you are explaining a sequence, these alternatives make it sound more natural and dynamic. Maybe makes you sound indecisive. You're not unsure, you're just trying to be polite. Own your side. Be more expressive just by using these alternatives. It's possible that might, there's a chance, or probably. Maybe I'll join the meeting. There's a chance I'll join the meeting. I might be there if things go well. I'll probably be there. Understand. Understand can be used if or reported in casual conversations. So I have alternative for understand. Get it, follow, make sense. Instead of saying, do you understand what I mean? Say, do you get what I mean? Does that make sense? Are you following? Just yes? It's boring. Show more energy with tone-rich alternatives. Use absolutely, for sure, definitely, or yup to sound more advanced. If you say, yes, I agree, it's not so much natural. To be more natural, use absolutely, I agree. For sure, that's exactly what I thought. Yep, I agree. Use these alternatives to match the tone or vibe of the moment. Like is the ultimate filler vibe. Normally if you use it too often and people stop listening. Use these words instead. Literally, kind of. Basically, if you talk like, so I was like really tired. It's not sounding natural. To be more natural, say, I was literally exhausted. I could barely move. I was kind of out of it the whole day. Stop using filler words. But if it adds emotion or emphasis, use it on purpose, not by habit. No vague. Use a word that shows how you know something. Use realize, notice, figure out to sound more natural and fluent. Instead of saying, I know he's upset, say, I realized he was upset. I noticed he wasn't acting like himself. I figured out he was feeling off today. When you are talking about discovering, observing, or learning something, be specific. Really quickens your sentence. There are stronger words waiting for you. Extremely, seriously, totally, absolutely, genuinely, and indeed. Instead of saying, I feel like the movie, say, I absolutely love the movie. He was genuinely surprised. If you caught yourself using at least 3 of these words, don't worry, we all do. But now you have got better tools to sound more fluent, more natural, and say more confident. And if this helped, don't maybe just hit that subscribe.